ready to go?
All in! My front row family!
Front row, we love you all!
Tonight is your night, guys! Itong gabing to, para sa inyo. Itong gabing ito, ay dahil sa inyo.
Kayo ang dahilan kung bakit meron front row.
Ibang klaseng naramdaman ko or pagpasok ko. Like,
Grabe ang kilabot na naramdaman ko at ramdam na ramdam ko lahat mula dito hanggang sa dulo.
pwede ba namin kayo maramdaman, guys?
Parang gusto ko pumunta doon para mag-hi. Tara!
Ikaw lang, tara. Guys! Bye lang, ha?
Front row!
Okay lang ba dyan umakyat?
Mga minamahal ko, front row!
We love you, guys! Ibang klase kayo, front. Hingal ako.
Front row poises itself for world domination. As we reach our zenith of influence, we dictate the pace of a new evolution, fueled with the strength and vigor of new blood. We have indeed become unstoppable. All together, we carry on to build the empire of our dreams.
We will not stop. And we will continue to move forward in building more dreams. And changing more lives.
Because this is Front Row! What is Front Row?
For the past 2 years, we've been the #1 direct selling and multi-level marketing company in Asia, guys. And this is because of our world-class quality products. Lux White, the #1 best-selling glutathione in the world. Sino ang nag-transform, gumanda at gumwapo dahil sa Lux White? So yun ang #1 product ng Front Row, Lux White. Of course, you know Lux Slim, the L-carnitine and green tea extract.
Yes.
We have the Lux Renew 8-berry extract, combination of 8 powerful berries.
Yes, yun yung detoxifying natin, di ba?
Anti-aging, detoxifying, and health immune booster natin is the Lux Protect Pure Grapeseed Extract. Sino yung mga nagtitake ng Lux Protect? Sino yung maraming order ng Lux Protect sa ibang countries? Yan yung top 4 products, health supplements ng Front Row. That's why palaki ng palaki yung Front Row, palakas ng palakas yung Front Row, palakas ng palakas yung sales because of these top 4 products.
Yes.
Health products on Front Row, pero Front Row is all about health, beauty, and wellness. So
Of
meron
course.
din tayo mga
Yan ang ating Korean-made products naman.
Mga
We have-
cosmetics natin, the Instabright body cream
As
na
modeled by
Miss Ellen
Ellen
Adarna,
Adarna.
and a lot more celebrities. And of course, yung
The
DD
DD
stick
stick.
natin, dynamic duo combination of BB and CC cream in one.
na hindi lang boy band PH ang gumagamit, pati ibang mga models at artista.
Lahat, ginagamit
Gamit na
yan.
nila yung DD stick natin, which is,
8-in-1.
yes, made in Korea.
So all of these cosmetic products are made in Korea.
And our soap, of course. Hindi kami titigil. Yun talaga yun, sinasabi namin. Hindi kami titigil. Papagandahin at papagandahin at papagandahin natin ang front row. Sa tulong, of course, ninyong lahat. And of course, sa tulong ng Yu Brothers, Richmond Yu, and Kerwin Yu. Guys, ladies and
Kerwin,
gentlemen,
ah.
Kerwin Yu, yan ang ating trainer. Ups, Kerwin!
Siya yung umiikot buong Pilipinas,
Siya ang
buong
umiikot at
mundo.
nagtitrain at siya ang nagtitrain at nagpapalaganap ng magandang kultura sa front row. Maraming salamat, Ups, Kerwin. Lika dito.
Thank you for being, salamat sa pag-accept sa akin since day one.
Maraming salamat, Abs Kerwin. Maraming
Thank you so
salamat.
much.
Richmond Yu, maraming salamat for being part of our front row family.
The Yu family.
Maraming salamat, front row. You are my family.
We love you,
are
front
our
row.
family. We love you guys. Let's start the show. Let's enjoy tonight.
Yes,
So thank you so much.
Bye!